In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with others, making it easy to manage appointments, meetings, and events collaboratively. Let's dive into the straightforward process you can follow to share your schedule efficiently. First, you'll want to make sure you're on the Google Calendar website. Simply open your preferred internet browser and type Google Calendar into your search bar, then hit enter. In the search results, click on the first link that appears, which will take you directly to the Google Calendar page. Once the page loads, you'll likely see a sign-in screen if you're not already logged in. Enter your Google account email in the provided field. After typing in your email, click the Next button. You will then be prompted to input your password, so go ahead and type that in. Again, hit Next to proceed. If everything is correct, this will take you right to your Google Calendar dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's find the calendar you intend to share. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your calendars. Hover over the calendar you want to share, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing beside it. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Settings and Sharing. This action directs you to a settings page specifically for that calendar. Here, look for the Share with Specific People section and click on the Add People and Groups button. Enter the email address of the person or group you wish to share the calendar with in the provided space. You'll see a prompt to choose the appropriate permission settings. Options will vary from viewing only availability to making changes to events. Choose the one that best fits your preference. After selecting the desired permission, click the Send button to share your calendar. The recipient will receive an email invitation, allowing them to access your calendar based on the permissions you've granted. This makes it incredibly simple for them to view or manage your schedule as per the access level you've chosen. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully shared your Google Calendar. This feature can be particularly handy for coordinating with team members or keeping family and friends updated on your availability. Remember, you can edit permissions or stop sharing anytime by revisiting the Manage Sharing settings in your calendar. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and good luck managing your schedules with ease.